Hello traders and welcome to another video analysis. Today is Thursday, July 25th, 2024. Let's find out what's going on Bitcoin to Euro at Zondacrypto. This is a daily time frame chart. As you can see, I'm using the Japanese candlestick. So very nice movement to the upside has occurred on the Bitcoin to Euro. We start from the level of roughly 49,770. The local high was made at 62,700. Euro, very nice rebound. It looks impulsive to me, which is why I'm going to show you guys that the impulsive wave progression should be still intact. Why? Because if we take the Elliott impulsive wave tool and we of course apply this tool to the market, we can see that this is only wave 3 of the overall movement to the upside, and now we are doing the wave 4, and then there is still wave 5 to the upside pending. So the inside of this movement here, let me just zoom in to show you the inside. There you go. The inside of this movement, which is a lesser degree, is also in 5 wave. 1, 2, 3 correction, wave 4 and wave 5 to the upside. Let me just change the degree to some small one, so you can see that there is maybe this one, maybe one without anything. Oh, there you go. So you can see there is the situation where we got 5 waves to the upside, and the wave 3 is a fully developed wave as well. So right now you can see wave 4 correction. Usually this wave 4 correction goes as deep as the previous wave 4 low, which is 58,136, but it's not like a general rule. It's just kind of a clue for the market analysis that there is some kind of a very nice level where you can expect the wave 4 to go. Right now we're just testing, let me just show you this this line here. We're just testing the technical support, so let me just put it green. There you go. We're just testing technical support 59,261. So there is a technical level when we can rebound, and of course the lows of the wave 4, 58,138. This is very nice zone for the rebound of the wave 4. If we take additional tools like Fibonacci retracement tool, we can definitely see that if we take into the account the length of the wave 3, if we take into the account the length of the wave 3, we can see that 38%, which is typical retracement for the wave 4, is located just at the lows of the 58,000. Let me just put it on the top. On the bottom, maybe is much more visible. There you go. On the bottom is correct, and it's 58,059. So it's just below the lows of the wave 4. So that's another situation and another level that ensures us that this zone, very nice zone between those two levels and the 58% of the Fibonacci retracement, might be strong enough to hold this bearish pressure and rebound and move to the upside to continue the wave 5. However, we don't know the shape of the correction of the wave 4. Right now it's a simple correction, A, B and possibly C. Nevertheless, we still need to wait for this correction to complete, because maybe, just maybe, this correction can evolve into something different. Like, for example, it can evolve into a triangle. So let me just give you the idea of this triangle. I need to do it this way. So let's say this line will be, I don't know, black or something. There you go, black. Thank you very much. And maybe, just maybe, this situation here with the correction will evolve into fully blown triangle, because zigzag is very, very popular inside of the triangle, right? As a subwave A, for example, right? So maybe we will have some little maybe we'll spend a little bit more time inside here of this triangle, potential triangle, to fully develop the wave 4, and then there will be breakout to the upside. Right now it looks ABC to the downside, and then if there's a very nice rebound, very strong aggressive rebound to the upside, then we can say that, oh, possibly wave 4 has been completed. And the last thing is, of course, the RSI indicator analysis. We will take a look at the momentum, and as you can see, the momentum is definitely showing us that let me just apply it once again. There you go. And the momentum is showing us that it is still strong, but it's going down towards the level of 15, the neutral level. So again, roughly close to the zone here, potential target zone for the wave 4, 50 points on the RSI neutral level, possible bounce to the upside in wave 5, as our scenario is saying. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis. I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.